This video is to show you how to change the batteries in your Wick mist diffuser. This is really simple. You do not need any tools. You just need 3 AA batteries. You can find those in the link below. First, you're going to take the device. There's a little screw-on lid on the bottom. You just turn it to the left like that. It pops right off. Now, before you just flip this thing over, you need to reach into the bottom and pull out the essential oils. You do not want to spill those out everywhere. They're just located right here. And again, it's really simple. Just pops right out the bottom when you pull on it. So pull that out, set it aside. Now we have the batteries right here. They're real simple. Just push down from the top and they come right out like so. Next, we're going to take our brand new fresh batteries here. You can see at the top of this thing, it tells us what side needs to be facing up on the battery, which terminal. So here we have the positive side facing up. So I'll put the negative side down, positive up. Now on this one, the middle one, the positive side goes down, negative side up, and then back to the positive side up on this side, just like that. Now I'm going to flip it back around and we'll put the essential oils back into this. Again, it's real simple. Doesn't screw, it just pushes right in. Then you're going to take this piece, goes right onto the bottom, screw it to the right, and it turns on. Then we're going to hit the lever here on the side, turn that on. We should see this light up. There it is. You're good to go. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.